Menakani jingce. Myntri kena ke Sorkar Pdeng, ka bakmi ya katanat Health and Family Welfare, ka Anupriya Patel, ka Leit jingo ya ka West Khasi Hills ban kmi ya ka jing Myntri kam ya ki scheme beper jong ka Sorkar Pdeng. La Pdeng sngo bahaya ka de ki he Sorkar kathan ki ba kentop ya u Deputy Commissioner ba Garrett LSN Dykes, kani ka Myntri ka Leit jingo ya ka shnang khellam ti saw ban Jurip ya ka jing Myntri kam ya ka Jal Jivan Mission bat ka lakmi ru ya ki kam bala Myntri lengba ka MGNREGS bat ka PMAYG hashnong sopian. Ka Patel kala ong baka than chatay la mingi kadai kamat ka bahak madu jong ka Sorkar ha ka kam penroy kari da ka bawan ra ya gijing penyaso ya gijing tei badru ya ka kam khayi pateng ha ki shiphouse nem baladem.
Policy of ministers making a fortnight visit to every northeastern state, and in compliance with that decision, I'm on my visit to this district here, and I've held a review meeting of all the central government schemes with the district administrative officials, seeing the progress. They've given some very valuable input, which I'm taking back to Delhi, so that we could make the necessary changes and make improvements wherever required. The whole idea is that the northeast region of India is today the topmost priority of the government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
Arngut ki brio badai ki Khasi penar.